Hi guys, me and Emily's Cool Videos, and today I'm doing a review of the Shopkins vending machine storage tin. So I found this at my Toy Planet for $12.99, and I was so excited when I got this. And it says here, special 2 exclusive Shopkins inside. So I'll give you a bit of toy packaging. Okay. So it says on here, fill your vending machine with Shopkins. It says contents, 2 Shopkins, 1 storage tin and 1 collector's guide. Let's go shopping. Welcome to the world of Shopkins. The cutest collectible characters from your favourite shops. There's cute fruits, sweets, dairy and more. So grab your shopping cart and start, because once you shop you can't stop. So it says go to www.shopkinsworld.com. So obviously it says here it's made by Moose Toys, same as the elves. So let's go and open it up then. So basically it's like a storage tin to keep all your Shopkins in, so it's a good idea actually. And then move it out of this. So let's go. So here's the tin. Basically pretty much the same, but same as the on the packaging. So on the back says check out online, and obviously some cute little Shopkins. Love it. So let's open it up. So the lid just comes off like that. So in here you've got like the bit of card, this bit of plastic filling it in. So that is very deep. And some of that to the side. So in here you can take these out. You have to make a bit of rubbish. So here's the first little cute Shopkin on here. By the way, if you can't see it, that is purple and yellow. Just in case it shows as blue. So there's the first one. And here's the second one. Oh. So that's supposed to be a chocolate bar. This one's a bit hard to get out. Okay, I'm just managed to get it out. And here's the second one. It's obviously meant to be a pretzel. So yeah, I really love the face in this one, it's cute. I'll show you the other face to the bar of chocolate. So, rubbish. So I love the vending machines, cute storage tin. So I'll put them inside. And I've got 2 baskets here with them. Oh, actually, before I go into that, I have the collector's guide with it. And it is the usual collector's guide you would get with the blind baskets, which I have here. For the couple I've got from the tins. So, 1, 2. These are only the ones I can find around the house, but so yeah. But I'll find the others and I'll put them in there. Just put it on. And there you have it, your own little storage tin for your Shopkins. So I love this. Obviously, it's got finished the idea of the elves with their storage, their tin. So and obviously for most toys it's Shopkins tin. So I love the Shopkins. So anyway, I hope you like this review of the Shopkins vending machine storage tin. And if you like this video, please like and comment on this video. And please subscribe to keep up to date with more Shopkins videos. And soon there will be a Shopkins playlist, so you can go into there and find all my Shopkins reviews and finding Shopkins. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Bye.